Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. These are for your relationship, and these cards are for your career situation. I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance, guys. So that'll be a general guidance. This is the card. I will leave it here. So we will see what it is after the reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. For your general energy, Sagittarius, we have Two of Moons, Temperance, and the Burning Tower in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. So in your situation, Sagittarius, something which you love to do, something which you are really passionate about, guys. Maybe you are working, you are getting some offer or opportunity in that, and you are moving towards a partnership or collaboration in your career situation, guys. Or it may be an attraction you have in this relationship. Maybe you are finding the right person for you. You have that closeness, intimacy, and you are enjoying this relationship, and you are you are moving towards engagement or marriage today, guys, Sagittarius. And also we have this card, guys. This is a negative card. Maybe some unexpected things are happening in your life today. It may be a situation in your career, or again it may be an unexpected situation in your relationship. This person is angry for some reason, or they are arguing with you for some reason. They are planning to move out of your life, leaving you. It may look like it may reach a breakup or some kind of a separation, but you need not worry, Sagittarius. All the struggles or whatever you are facing today, you are going to have that balance in your mind no matter what, and things are going to end harmoniously. So maybe today it may look like argument or some kind of fight, but these arguments and fights are just going to make your love more stronger, guys, and you are going to see that. So you need not worry today, guys, because of these fights or some misunderstandings that you both have today, Sagittarius. And your situation is going to resolve, guys. Some kind of a positive change is happening in your circumstance today, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first. We pick 3 cards. So we have Papas in reverse, Pope of Stars in reverse, and 5 of Moons. So with these cards, guys, maybe in your relationship, guys, maybe there is someone trying to manipulate or trying to control this person. This person may be your person, the person you love. They may have close contact with someone. It may be a friend or a family member. They are trying to manipulate them. Maybe they are trying to gossip about you, or they are telling them gossips, and that may be the reason for troubles in your relationship, guys. So they are telling gossips about you, and that may cloud this person's mind. So that may be the reason for some arguments or fights in this relationship, guys, in your situation today. So this person is believing them because they are someone close to them. That may be the reason. So they just believe this person, their friend or a family member, whoever it is. And I also see that someone has evil intentions towards you. They don't like you both together, guys. So their evil intentions are affecting you, guys, Sagittarius. And it may be a past person, your past person or their past person. They are regretting certain things, why it happened and why they are in separation and you both are together. So some kind of resentment, some kind of anger they have, that they may be the ones spreading these rumors about you both. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Sagittarius. But I also see that your situation, just like the previous cards, guys, it may resolve, guys, if you are if you are able to hold on. You will be seeing the turning point in your situation today, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, Sagittarius. We have 3 of moons, the moon, and 8 of moons. So in your career situation, guys, there are some doubts or confusion about certain things, guys, about the outcome of that circumstance or that decision, maybe some projects or assignments, whatever it is. And I also see that you would have faced some troubles. Maybe there were people not telling you the truth about certain things. You were in some kind of confusion, doubts. But whatever it is, guys, you are finding out the truth and you are feeling a great relief today, guys, Sagittarius. You are relieved. Things are gaining momentum, and there are positive changes in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your angel oracle guidance. We have be content. So with this card, it just means that we have to have that acceptance in our heart, guys, if we want happiness and peace. So living our day-to-day life without stressing about the past events or worrying about the future, it will bring that sense of serenity in our life. And how to get that contentment in our life. So certain things we can change, guys, with our skills and talents, with our efforts, but certain things we cannot, however hard we try. So the things we cannot change, we need to just accept it as it is and recognize that we do not have any control over that situation to make that change. So when you accept your limitation, you are going to feel that contentment and accept things as they are, guys, in your life today. So that is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.